Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. This is my first mini project at juragandevnet. Hope you guys will enjoy watching this video. In this video, I will show you how to utilize the combination between Bash scripting with expect and cronjob. In this combination, will help you enjoy your weekend, especially for L1 engineer who needs to come to office to collect a backup config, or even if you want to do an upgrade and you need to collect a backup config before execute the upgrade, or after you executed the upgrade, right? Then you want to do the post checking. So there are some requirements is desire. First is you must have a Linux operating system or Mac operating system, or if you are using Windows, you can use VirtualBox, or even you can install the Linux on VirtualBox, and also you can use WSL as well. The second thing, you must install expect on your Linux. Otherwise, you're not able to access to devices. Okay. So first thing is you need to you need to download all these three files from Juragan Devnet GitHub. Okay, so you just go to the https github.com juragandevnet slash linux slash tree slash main slash collect backup with bash underscore with underscore bash underscore scripting. So there will be three files. One is the device list. Okay, so I use these two devices is from developer devnet sandbox. So you just need to sign up and log into the devnet developer sandbox to do some testing, or if you just want to test the script. Yeah. And then another thing is I created the cron job also. Okay, this cron job later I will explain to you after this. And then finally, the important thing is the collect backup script. Okay, let's go. We can start it. First is we create the file. Okay, for the device list. So which IP address you want to um, automate, or you want to collect the backup. Here I have two IP address from developer Devnet Sandbox. This is free. You just need to sign up and log in. Okay, then you find which device you want to automate. Okay, and then I go back to my network automation file. Okay, I have two IP addresses. Now I create the collect backup file. So I just go back to the GitHub again, and I click this collect backup, and then you just copy and put it in your network automation server. Okay, but I need to modify something, because here just collect the host name. I just use it for another activity. So here I can remove this puts, and since I want to collect the backup configs only, right? So I just need show run. But if you want to collect another show command, you can put it here. Maybe show API library or SPF neighbor or BGP, something like that. You can do it. Then I remove this interrupt also. Okay. Here, as you can see, right, I have the username and password. Okay, the password is plain text. Yeah, before I execute this script, I just want to tell you this. There are some weakness of this Bash script. Okay, the first thing is the password. Password is plain text. Meaning what? Meaning everyone can see the password, but I think it's not a big deal since mostly credential to log into devices to collect a backup is read only. So you cannot make any changes, and your environment also will not be in risky. So it's not a big concern. And the second thing is I don't use multi-thread and only using while loop mechanism, as you can see here, while loop mechanism to collect backups from all devices. Meaning what? Meaning the process is one by one. So once one device config is collected, then we'll continue to the next device until the last of devices. so it will take more time. Yeah, but you but it will less consume your resources like CPU or memory because the process is one by one. Okay, I save the script. Now, if you can see, we have two files, right? The IP addresses list, and also the bash script with expect script here to collect the backup. But you can see here there is no X, meaning the file is not executable. So we need to make it this file executable. I will make it chmod 7555, meaning the file will be executable for me, for anyone in my group, or even in others. But others and anyone in my group not able to do modify the script. So only me can able to modify the script. Okay, now you can see X, X, X. Okay, let's try. So to run the bash script, you just put dot slash and the file. You should be expect. Oh, okay, sorry. So before you want to run the expect, right? Here it's clear that a bad interpreter for expect. So you need to install the expect first with sudo yum install expect -y. Okay, just wait for a while. Okay, I have done. I have completed install the expect. Now we try to run the collect backup.sh file. Okay, here as you can see spawn ssh minus o strict host key checking. So this strict host key checking, right? Do you remember if your first time to SSH to a new device, the device will send to you the fingerprint, right? So with that strict key equivalent no, meaning you will accept any fingerprint that provided by your device. So it just automatically accept. Okay. I think this one collected already. Let's see. Let's see. Uh, oh, only one file. Let me try again. Get this list. Let me try first. Developer 1.7.143. What is the password? Password is, let me check. Cisco 12345. Okay, I'm able to log in. Okay, let me try again. -f 1231. Okay. I remove all logs and I will run again. Collect. So please wait for a while. Okay, I'm able to log in to 149.131.226.217.149. Okay, collected. I collected the backup config for .149. Wait for a while. Okay, now I will collect to the second one. Spawn. Okay, the second one also collected. Wait for, okay. The collection is completed. Now I'm checking the file. Here I have two file. Okay, I have two backup config. First is from the 131.226.217.143. Okay, I collected on 23 November 2022. Okay, at 10 o'clock 52 minutes 00. So this time and that is referred to your local network automation server. Here, as you can see, my local is November 23, correct, right? 23 and November, okay, and 2022, and the time is 10:53. So it will refer to your local network automation server. Okay, now if you want to do the backup scheduler, right? You want to collect the backup config scheduler. You can combine the script. Use the cron job. Okay, how to do? You just click this cron. You just type cron tab -e. Okay, so if you can see here, the script will be run by minute, hour, day of month, and day of week. If you example, I want to collect the backup config every Sunday at 12 a.m. Okay, 00 colon 00 a.m. Meaning the minute must be no 0 and also hour must be 0. Day of month I can do any date. Okay, month also I will collect any month, and then for the day of week I will collect on Sunday 0, right? Sunday is 0. And then you just pointing your file. My file is at root slash desktop slash collection backup.sh and save it. Okay, now I will remove the existing log. Okay, let me check again. Yeah, the file location is correct, slash root slash desktop. Now I will try. Okay, I will check my current contact service 00 star star 0. Okay, but this script will collect every Sunday, okay, at 00 a.m. But here in this video, I just want to show you that this cron job will be uh, perfect. Okay, I mean it will be really help you to do a scheduler backup. Here in this video, I just want to show you uh, how we can combine the bash scripting with the cron job. So I just put everything star, meaning this cron job will run every minute. Okay, I will just save it. Let me check the cron tab status. Okay, the process is active. So the cron job will collect 10 backup configs for each devices every 1 minute. This tool really help you to collect and update backup config, or even you are doing pre-checking or post-checking after your activity. Okay, so now we will be waiting for another 10 minutes and I will pause this video and come back to you guys when the process completed. Hi everyone, I'm come back. So I don't wait for 10 minutes, but I think I collect about 6 or 8 backup configs. So let me check. Ah, you see here. Okay, so right now the cron job run the script. Okay, every 1 minute. So 11:06, 11:07, 11:08, 11:09, 11:10. Okay, so meaning this cron job is running the script every 1 minute. So for me, this bash scripting and also the combination between the bash scripting and cron job is very perfectful and very useful for your operation. So you don't need to come to office on the weekends anymore. You just install this Linux servers, run this bash script. Uh, download the bash scripting from Juragan Devnet GitHub and run the cron job. Okay, Later, maybe in next mini project, maybe I will use multi-thread with Python combination so you can automate in one shot. What is the difference? Okay, the difference is with this while loop mechanism. Let me open again. Okay, this while loop mechanism is this network automation server or this Linux server will try to SSH to the device and complete his job by type terminal line and show run, and meaning the collect the backup configs. And then once the process is complete, then it will be exit. Okay, and then this guy will try to SSH to another device. Okay, but later will the multi-thread method, we can execute or SSH to many devices in at the same time in simultaneous time at the same time. So example 10,000 device, you can SSH and collect that device in one time. Meaning maybe only in 2 minutes, 3 minutes, you can collect 10 devices backup configs. Okay, everyone, that's all for today's video for our mini project using Bash scripting combination Bash scripting and Cronjob. Don't forget to like if you love this video and subscribe our YouTube channel to get the notification once new mini project is published. Thank you everyone. See you next time. Bye bye.